So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to construct an angle of 75 degrees using the ruler and a compass. We already know how to construct angles of 60, 120 and 90 degrees. So using these angles, I'll be constructing now an angle of 75 degrees. So let us see the steps of construction. I first of all draw a line segment AB of any length. So for that, I take a point A and a point B. I join them with the ruler to get the line segment AB. With A as center and any radius, I make an arc to intersect the line segment AB at point C. Then with C as center and the same radius, without changing the radius, I cut this previous main arc at point D. Then with D as center and the same radius, I make another arc to intersect the main arc at point E. So had I joined A and D, then angle DAB would have been equal to 60 degrees. Had I joined E and A, then angle EAB is equal to 120. So I bisect angle EAD to get an angle of 90 degrees. So for that, with E as center, I make an arc. With D as center and the same radius, I cut this previous blue arc to intersect it at point F. I join A and F. Then angle FAB will be the 90-degree angle. Now angle FAB is 90 and angle DAB is how much? It is equal to 60 degrees. So if I bisect angle GAD, I'll get an angle of 75 degrees. So for that, with G as center, I make an arc. With the same radius, I make another arc as with G as center to intersect the previous arc at point H. I join A and H and produce it to point I. Then angle BAI will be the angle of 75 degrees. Let us check whether the construction is correct or not. It is coming out to be exactly 75 degrees. That means we've done very accurate construction. So I hope the construction is clear to you. Thank you so much.